Helen's birthday on Tuesday, so, you know.
Yeah,
Not today, but by the time you see this,
it will have been
a gone. But tonight, so somewhere different for the kids, apart from Cheska's been before, but Maddie and Berto and Alvaro haven't, and we're at the Great Greek. Hi Bob.
Hi Bob.
And
Hello there.
I was going to say this is the first food video of 2025, but it's not. Look in the back catalogue and you will see Matt's Burger.
Yeah, and the Thai place.
And the Thai place, yeah, Helen's here. We're here at the Great Greek. We've not been for a while. As I mentioned outside, if I've used that footage. Myself, Bob, Helen have been before, as has Francesca, but we're also joined, so Helen's there, we're here for Helen's birthday, which is on Tuesday. Happy birthday.
And then I am a really old bird.
No, she's not.
Here I am.
No, she's not.
Old buzzard.
Because I'm not a really old fart.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, oh, yes, I am.
And I've got a bit of a cold as well, so perhaps I shouldn't be out really, but oh well, never mind.
But we're also with Pretty Boy. Whoa. Francesca. And then we've got Maddie and Berto. If I'm probably pointing the wrong way, actually. Yeah, Maddie and Berto. We'll show you what we get. The food in here has always been, in fact, I can do that because you can still hear it. And I think I've got Helen in, yeah. The food in here has usually been, actually every time we've been, it's been pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not quite sure what we're going to order yet because it depends on quantities.
Portion sizes are quite big as well.
Yes, and we had to look. So if you want to see what I had last time we came, have a look in the description and we'll put a link to the first and second videos. That's okay, it's facing this way. First and second videos. First and second videos. The second video was actually in here after it had been extended, which is where we are now. They've also got another restaurant, I think, in Cabo Roig. In the description, we'll put a link to where their Facebook page is, which has also got the menus and everything else. Looking forward to this. Okay, here's the impressive thing. The waitress, no pen, no paper, no hand pad or tablet or anything like that.
Nada.
Give her the order, and she's remembered. Yeah, there are seven of us,
and we're having starters as well.
And she remembered the whole lot.
Well,
and I think we've been here before, and they've done this as well.
She did while she was stood there. Let's see what we get.
But we've been here before. I'm sure it was here, and there was another place we've been where they've done exactly the same thing. They've remembered exactly what we've ordered without writing it down, which is like
impressive.
Many years ago, some of you may remember. When Aldi first opened in the UK, the checkout operators in Aldi had to remember the prices of everything off by heart because there was no prices on anything. And there was no barcode scanners either. That's going back to the 80s.
I can remember every word of Bohemian Rhapsody off by heart.
And if you want to see these idiots singing it, have a look in the description and we'll show you that video from the past. Oh my God, am I glad that I was filming. And
you're a weakling.
Yeah.
Definitely worth a laugh. We don't mind having a joke at our own expense. Here we have the yeah,
And the
Guindillas, and there's the Tzatziki, and then that's another Dolmades over there.
What kind of bread do you think?
So Alvaro has got himself a pizza. Cheska.
You see how big that pizza is? That's huge.
Not really, that's just normal pizza. Cheska's got a gyros with.
I'm saying that pizza, not pizza.
Oh, your pita. It's the same size as the bread that we had, but it's a mountain.
That's what
Yes.
I'm saying.
So we've got the mixed grill at €20.90. It comes with chips, or you can ask for rice. I think it's coleslaw, Gadir, lemon,
Cheers, spectacular.
onion in a sauce, onion not in a sauce, lamb chop, mixed souvlaki, which is skewers. There's a chicken and a pork. I might have got those the wrong way around. Then there's gyros, basically kebab.
Is that what you don't like?
And I think that might be tzatziki or hummus that's there. I will say the lamb. I'm a bit, if it's lammy, as I've got older, I'm not been such a fan. But this is really nice actually. Crack on. Stuffed. On me, it's one of them. Hang on a minute.
Two of them. For me, it's two of them.
Today we're trying something new. We've got these from Mercadona, and they're ham hocks. We've mentioned them a while back.
It's cordillo. You see them quite a lot as menu del dia in different restaurants.
You can buy them part cooked or pre-cooked in Mercadona in the fridge section as well, but these are fresh. As per usual, the dogs are flipping drinking as soon as I get the camera out. We don't know how we're going to cook these, by the way, but they're going in the oven to start.
Right, I'm going to put them in the oven with a bit of stock, a bit of garlic,
Yeah.
and let's see where we go from there.
In there are shallots, garlic, bay leaves, ground black pepper, and salt you put on there as well, haven't you? And there goes the chicken stock.
Not a massive amount of chicken stock.
We don't, no idea if this is going to work or how it's going to turn out.
That's all I'm putting in for now.
Okay.
I'm going to cover it over and put it in the oven to cook slowly.
150,
I'll put it
170.
to 170.
We'll wash it, yeah?
Yeah, go on.
So the potatoes are going to cook in the stock and in the juice that's got lots of flavour in it. And then put the hocks back on top, yeah?
Yeah. I'm just going to mix everything up.
Monday morning. Oi! Girlies, sit down. Sit. 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 This one, not you. And that one. I see you, Baba. And they've got an appointment at vets. They're going to be. We're doing the responsible thing and getting them sterilised. Would have been sooner, but we've been waiting for Coco to have a season, and she's not had one, but they're well over a year old now, so it's time that they were done, especially Madam.